morning, guys. Oh, gagising lang. Tulog pa, baby. Guys, wala kami tapos kakain kami.
Okay, good morning everyone.
Buffet breakfast muna kami. Ayan.
Sarap tulog. Malamig.
Sleep pa.
Isabel, wake up. Let's have our breakfast. Sleeping pa?
Siya mag-aayos na ako. Toothbrush. Good morning. Hi, good morning. Okay, let's change diaper.
No, Mama.
Oh.
Tapos.
What?
Oh, Mama.
Come here.
It's not full. Oh.
Nay, dito. Oo. Oh, your hand, pipi. Go. Punta muna kami sa resto. Kakain muna kami ng breakfast.
No.
Later, Izzy, you want to swim later?
No. Again?
But you
Sing.
don't have a swimsuit.
Again, let us sing.
You forgot to bring your swimsuit.
What will you sing?
What do you want to sing?
Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Again.
Head, shoulder, knees, and toes again. How about walking, 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 hop, 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 running, 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 running. Now we stop. Stop. Down.
Close first. Close.
Just stop. 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 Yeah.
Tano.
Mama will use this.
Morning po. Mami Eve. Ayan o, iit na si Mami Eve. Ayun, si Izzy. Baby. Ayan, iit na ikaw, Izzy. What do you want to eat? Soup? Oh, rice. Oh, ayan o. Mami Eve. Ayun, bread. Magbe-bread lang kayo, bread. Ayaw nyo mag-rice. Oh, wala. Wow, fruits and bread for breakfast with coffee. And rice. Wow. Rice and Coco Crunch. Ayun sa kabila. Ayun, naman na tubig. Sa thermos. Easy is eating Coco Crunch. Oh. Ayaw. God bless our food today. Amen. Kain tayo. Coco Crunch and corned beef. Mami Eve, American breakfast, bread and fruits with coffee. And easy, Coco Crunch. How about Mommy? Mommy is there waiting for a boiled egg. Wow, yummy fruits. Wow, may corn. Let's eat. Come and get it muna. Yan. Wow. Unang kagat. Busog sarap. Yan. And then, easy. Tapos na ulit kami kumain. Yung isa ay may topax na. Ayan. Ayaw kumain. Ayan. We're all done. Mag-iikot-ikot muna kami. Nalaglag ang telepono ko. Ikot-ikot muna sa 6th floor swimming pool, tapos later gym ulit. Okay, bye.